The wildfire has grown to over 9,400 acres and remains 0% contained, with no structures reported damaged or destroyed. More than 4,000 firefighting personnel are assigned to the incident, supported by a strong ground and air response. The National Weather Service has extended a red flag warning for most of Los Angeles and Ventura counties until 10 a.m. Friday. Light to moderate Santa Ana winds are expected to continue through Thursday, making containment efforts challenging. Currently, approximately 31,000 residents are under evacuation orders, with another 23,000 affected by evacuation warnings. Firefighters have dropped tens of thousands of gallons of retardant on the fire's south side, where it was moving southwest. The combined efforts of aerial and ground resources have helped gain the upper hand, but the situation remains dynamic.